Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you all. I have been absent for the past week or two. I don't remember the last time I uploaded. I know it was a Spanish tutorial, but I took a winter break along with my kids and I spent time with them and just hung out, watched Netflix, and they got a new trampoline for Christmas, so they've been playing outside. So that's been good that they've been getting that outdoor activity that they've been needing because we've been stuck indoor for the past year. Today, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some new products that I've been receiving in PR, and a couple of these have been sent way before I took my little break. So these might be a little bit older products, but they're still somewhat new to the beauty community. I mean, Colourpop is always launching new stuff. So I have their eyeshadow palette here. This is called Wine and Only. You guys know that I love my wine. You guys can see my wine in my intro. And they sent over the whole collection. I also received a couple new lippies from BUXOM, but I'm going to show you guys this one here. Well, I'm already wearing it. You guys can see it on my lips. This one here is called Bestie. It's really, really comfortable on the lips, hydrating, and it gives you that plumping effect. I also received some new brushes from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. They're somewhere in here. I don't know exactly where they are. Girl, I'm a mess. It's my first time filming in a while. So if you guys want to see all the makeup products that I'm going to be using to achieve today's look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we do jump into this video though, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel down below. I always have the most latest collections from Colourpop. They've been very consistent with sending me their newest collections, and I'm really grateful for that because Colourpop is just such an affordable brand. I just feel like we can all appreciate an affordable brand at times like these. So let's go ahead and quit the chatting because this is probably going to be a lengthy video since we have a lot to go over and just catch up on. So let's go ahead and jump into the video.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Part of this collection is the Wine and Only eyeshadow palette. This is a pressed powder palette, and it has all of these beautiful shades here. It does have a combination of shimmers and mattes. It has about it has 3 mattes, and the rest are shimmers. This one here is a matte shimmer, if that makes any sense. These are more like foiled shimmers. We also have 3 Super Shock blushes. So this one here is called Cruel Intentions, which is the one I'm actually wearing right now. And we also have this one here that is called Cheerio. I think this one is a little bit too deep for my skin color. And then this one here is called Brute Flute, which I think would be a really good shade for my skin tone. But I really don't like anything that is too shimmery on my cheeks because it's just emphasizing my texture on my skin, and I'm just not about that right now. Also, a part of the collection, we have 2 Super Shock shadows. This one is the one I'm currently wearing on my eyes right now, and this one is called Wind Down. They do come together. This is the color Muse. Let me show you guys a swatch of this one. Beautiful foiled color. Also a part of the collection, we have this Soul Sangria Shimmering Dry Oil. I actually don't know. No, this is a part of the collection because it comes in the same kind of packaging as the rest. This is just like a sister brand to Colourpop, so that's why I was like, might not be. But yeah, it is because it's packaged in the same type of packaging. As you guys can see, this is a oil for your body. I'm not going to be using this because I receive these so much in other collections and I really don't get a lot of use out of it, so I'm going to put it aside in a giveaway pile and maybe gift it to somebody that will actually put this to use. I really don't like the beach, and it's still cold right now, so I'm not going to the beach anyway. It's just like perfect for that really shiny, really, I don't know. I do like wearing those for events as well, but girl, are we going anywhere recently? I mean, I know I'm not. The last product that is a part of the wine collection is this liquid liner from Colourpop. It's just a felt tip, as you guys can see here. And there it is. Oh shoot, this is red. I didn't even know that. It's like a burgundy. Let me show you guys. Why does it look so patchy though? Is it buildable? It's just looking really streaky, right? Like, I've never had a red eyeliner though. Cool. Okay, now let's go ahead and for sure jump into a little tutorial on how I achieved this eye look right here. For today's makeup look, I have to do a smoky-ish eye because this palette does consist of a lot of darker shades. And that's basically all I can do with this palette. That's not an issue though because I do love cranberry colors like this. And I'm going to be using the new brush set. This is the Pinky Rose Cosmetics new brush set that's going to be launching on the 15th of this month. If you guys are interested in purchasing these eye makeup brushes, you have every single eye brush that you guys need. Let me show you guys what I would use each and every single one of these for, because you can honestly achieve so many different eye looks with just this brush set. Okay, so this one here, you guys have seen me use similar brush to this to achieve cut creases. This is going to create that perfect crisp line at the crease area. You can also fill in underneath the cut crease with this flat brush right here. You can clean up your eyebrows with this one, or you can pack on shimmers onto your eyelid. This is a perfect packing brush whenever you're trying to define a crease like really well. So I might show you guys in today's makeup look. I still really don't know what I'm going to do, but yeah, so you can use that one. Then this one is perfect for smudging underneath the eye area. These two are perfect either for eyebrows or eyeliner. This one is also good for eyeliner, blending brush, and a more defined blend. The brow one that I mentioned also has a spoolie on the other end. I'm dropping everything everywhere. I have not been filming in the past 2 weeks, as you guys have known, because you guys miss me, right? Oh, I'm so full of shit. Anyway, I'm just everywhere. I got a new backdrop. Look at this. Are we liking this clean white backdrop? Let me know. These brushes are going to be launching on the 15th of January. If you guys are interested, you guys can use my discount code, which is Tracey, and you get 15% off of any purchase with Pinky Rose Cosmetics. And Pinky Rose Cosmetics is a very affordable brand, so the 15% off is definitely going to take some money off of your purchase. I'll have Pinky Rose's website linked down below if you guys want to shop this collection. But again, it does launch on the 15th if they're not available as of yet. And I did not receive information about the price point of this, but there are 9 brushes in here. There's going to be also a red brush set, so I have the black one. I'm not a fan of red, so glad I got the black one. Okay, so I just wanted to share those brushes with you guys because I am going to be using these brushes. Unfortunately, they do not have numbers on them. I really wish they did, but these are the brushes that I'm going to be using to achieve today's makeup look. So let's jump into a little tutorial using this Colourpop Wine and Only collection. I'm really excited about this collection here, so let's dive into a smoky-ish eye. So I'm going to go with this one here, and I'm going to take the lightest shade from this eyeshadow palette, the lightest matte shade, because these other ones have shimmers, and this is as light as we're going to get in this palette. So I already did apply some concealer all over my eyelid. I used the Laura Mercier concealer, and I'm in the shade 2C. I'm kind of creasing right in this area though. So once again, I'm taking that color, and before blending it out, I'm just packing it onto the lid area right here. More on the crease. Pretty. So now I'm going to start to blend slowly with this. It does have really soft bristles. And I'm going to kind of keep this look rounded to my eye shape. I say that now, but I'm probably gonna go crazy. I've just been going for really subtle looks recently. I've just been wearing my eyelashes and hardly any makeup. I haven't been posting since my kids went on winter break. I've just been taking a winter break myself, and it was definitely necessary. Happy New Year to you all. How was your guys' New Year's? Well, I'm sure it was different for everybody, right? I definitely did stay home with my little family here. It was just me, my boyfriend, and my 2 kids, and honestly, it was great. I cooked pozole for the first time. Oh, and it was so delicious. I'm so proud of myself. Like, my mom just never really had patience to teach me how to cook because she's just not a patient person. She'd be like, "Quítate aquí, chamaca," you know, because I was kind of slow at learning. She just wants things to be done like like this in a fast pace, and I'm like, I'm learning, woman, chill. All right, so I'm going to take the other blending brush and I'm just going to be blending out the edges like so with this clean brush right here. Ooh, The Bachelor's going to come on tomorrow. Who's into watching The Bachelor? I don't have cable, so I have to like wait until it's on the next day on Hulu, so so disappointed. Nobody spoil it for me, okay? All right, so that's as blended as I'm getting right now. So this here is a flat, fluffy packing brush, and I'm going to be taking this dark winter shade. The previous one I used was called Major Shanty. So with this color, I'm just going to be packing it onto the lid. And just like this here. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with a fluffy blending brush and just kind of work on the edges, because I don't know if it's bothering you, but it's bothering me, girl. I do want to use a Super Shock shadow. I'm going to be using Wind Down, and it looks like this here. So with my ring finger, I'm just going to be placing this color over the eyeshadow that we just applied. Ooh, girl. I'm missing my press on right here. It just fell off while I was trying to prepare for this video. And I don't know where it fell, so I need to go look for it so I can glue it back on. Okay, so I'm really liking how this looks. I want to... Okay, one last thing that I do want to do before I leave you guys and transform my whole face. I'm going to be taking this color right here. This one is called Blank? Blano? Can you guys read that? Looks like it says Blano, doesn't it? Anyway, I'm taking this on a flat brush like this. Kind of does have like a little bit of a pointy tip, so I'm just going to be applying it to the water duct right here. Going back in there with the fluffy brush to blend it out. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to go back and do this eye, lashes, mascara, you know the drill. Be right back. Okay, so we have a few options for cheek. These are actually called the Super Shock Cheek. I've never tried these before, and just as of 2020, it was the first time I ever even tried Super Shock shadows, so I was a little bit late to the party. So we're going to be trying the Super Shock shadows, cheek shadows. Again, I'm missing a press-on nail on this little pinky here, so don't mind that. They do have sparkle to them, so I don't really know if I want to use these exactly, or if I want to go with the matte one. The matte one here is called Cruel Intentions, and I think this is the one I'm going to be using today, because I just feel like whenever I do wear blushes that have kind of a shimmer to it, it really emphasizes my texture, so I don't want to do that. I'm going to show you guys regardless what they look like. This one here is called Cheerio. Definitely does have some shimmer to it. And then this other one here is called Brute Flute. This is definitely a blush that would go with my skin tone, but I'm not going to be using it because I do have quite a bit of texture. I'm getting a lot of fine lines in this area now, and I'm not going to do it. Okay, so I'm going to be using a sponge to use this because it is a Super Shock Super Shock formula. Yeah, it definitely is. It's like really kind of, it's hard to describe. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my sponge. And let's see if it shows up. Yeah, it does. Okay, so I'm just going to go in there and use the other side of the sponge just to kind of tone it down a little bit. Definitely use a sponge just so that you can apply it, and then if it's too bright or too intense, just go ahead and like go over it with the clean side of the sponge. Okay, so I'm definitely liking that. I'm gonna go over it to this side. And just apply it to this area right here. Okay, I'm definitely loving this blush and the technique I used to apply it with. On my face, if you guys are wondering what foundation I'm using, I'm actually using Colourpop's Pretty Fresh foundation that I've been loving so much, and this one here is in the color 100W. Okay, so on my lips, I decided to take my Revlon chocolate lip liner, and I also used this new gloss from BUXOM. This is in the color Bestie. This is one of their new plumping glosses, and BUXOM, I have mentioned it several times, is my absolutely favorite brand when it comes to lipsticks and lip glosses. I rather wear a gloss over a lipstick any day because it just adds moisture and shine to your lips. This one does not feel sticky whatsoever, and it has that plumping feeling to your lips, so they just feel really fresh and really hydrated. So that's why I really, really love BUXOM. I'll have these here linked down below in the description box for you guys. And yeah. Okay, so that completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial. I feel like this look, it looks extremely glamorous, but it really did not take me very much time. Super simple and easy to do. So let me know what you guys think about this look and also about this collection. You guys know that I love wine. You guys can see it in my intro. I might not show it on camera, but I'm constantly sipping on wine because it's just like my mommy downtime when I'm filming these videos. So I just really enjoy my wine and my makeup. So this collection was definitely up my alley. Love it so much. And the plumping gloss, need I say much? The brushes, I feel like this brush collection from Pinky Rose Cosmetics has every single brush that you need to achieve any eye makeup look, from simple everyday glam or just full-on glam, cut creases, or any creative makeup looks that you guys can think of, you can create with these eye brushes. Pinky Rose Cosmetics is such an affordable brand as well, so I'm sure that this brush set is going to be at an affordable price. Unfortunately, I do not have the price for this eye brush set, but I do have a discount code for when it does launch on the 15th. You guys can use my discount code Tracy, and I do earn commission based off of you guys purchasing anything from Pinky Rose's website. You guys also get 15% off, so it's a win-win, and I really appreciate your support. And also, if you guys are interested in shopping with Colourpop, I do have a discount code for you. It is not affiliated. It is 5 Tracy, and it earns you $5 off of any purchase. So thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. I do plan to have 3 to 4 videos here on my channel per week, as I was doing previously to my winter breaks. So bear with me. Let's go ahead and end the video here. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!